Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics. In this video, I am going to show you how to buy XRP into your Coinbase. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browsers into your computer. I'm opening my Brave browser into here. And now after opening your browser, just simply search for Coinbase into there and open the site for the Coinbase and log in your Coinbase account into there. And now after searching and logging in, you will get this home page of Coinbase into here. You can use this buy and sell button into here in order to buy and sell any of the cryptos. And you can also use this search button into here. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to search for XRP into there and you will get the option of XRP, XRP 2.0 and many other XRP options. Just simply select the XRP that you want and then it will show all of the details about XRP in real time. And after overviewing the details about XRP, just simply decide how much you want to buy and you can get this buy option into here. And after verifying your information, just enter your correct detail and buy your cryptocurrency. By following these very easy methods, you can easily buy XRP into your Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.